Do you wonder why your curries don't taste like the ones from the takeaway? Well, I'm here to share the secret. It's time for a banging curry-based gravy.
Make sure to like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Heat some ghee or oil, then add in your whole spices. Don't worry, you can find the full recipe and method down in the captions so you can make this at home. The key ingredient of the base gravy are the onions, so throw them into the pan along with a good pinch of salt. And this is where the magic happens. It's going to take around 30 minutes of gentle cooking. Now, if your onions start to catch on the base of the pan, just add a splash of water and keep going until your onions look like this. They should be sweet and sticky. Add in some garlic and ginger paste and your spices, which are garam masala, turmeric and dried fenugreek. Pour in some tomato puree which has been mixed with water, a tin of chopped tomatoes and some fresh tomatoes. Now, at this stage, you could add some fresh chilli. However, I like to keep mine neutral so I can add fresh chilli as required to whatever curry I'm cooking to get the perfect level of spice. Bring up to a simmer and cook gently for 20 minutes. Pop a lid on whilst doing this so it doesn't reduce down too much. At this point, you can choose whether to remove the whole spices or keep them in whilst blending. So wait for the curry to cool slightly, then blitz until smooth. I've kept this intentionally thick so it doesn't take up as much space in the freezer. Now you are ready to portion up your gravy, ready for the next time you want to make a banging British Indian restaurant-inspired curry. This will keep in the fridge for 4 days or 3 months in the freezer. Check out the curry recipes in my feed that use this gravy to make yours at home. This was banging.